Hey, I appreciate you clicking on this video. I'm thinking not to waste too much time, so let's get right into it. So who am I? My name is Josh Bedsel, owner of Starlit SEO, a digital marketing agency. My passions are beaching, hiking, traveling, spending time with family, and making people money, of course. I always had a massive calling to help people who want to be helped. I studied at the University of South Florida, then proceeded to go on a different route and join the healthcare field. I started working as an EMT in an ER, then went on to work in a trauma center. Long story short, I later discovered how useful the internet is and how much you can assist a business in scaling. After discovering this and making my first client a high return on investment, I've been hooked ever since. So, enough about me. How can your business grow organically on the internet? Content is the first step to having your website seen. Google considers your click through rate as an important factor to rank your website. The more you get users to click on your links, the greater are your chances of getting better rankings on search engines. Have you ever been on a website looking for a product or service and it's nearly impossible to navigate through? Nothing is organized. It's just word vomit on the page to tell you about the service. Even just trying to find the contact information is hard. That's what we need to avoid. The content is supposed to be user friendly so it gets the point across while navigating the reader to the call to action fluently. Your content should not just be user friendly, but also effective for the internet to point your readers in the right direction to find your website in the first place. How we do that is with keywords implemented into your content so you can create backlinks into them. So, how should I implement my content? Well, you need at least 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason you need at least this amount of words on your homepage is for the robots. I know it sounds crazy, but you see, Google has robots that go and crawl through your content searching for keywords. And the more words you have and the more content you have, the more they crawl. This gives Google the opportunity to find those keywords hidden in your user-friendly content. You're probably wondering, what the heck is keyword difficulty and what the heck is a keyword? Don't worry, I got you. Keyword difficulty is literally how difficult it is to rank a keyword in the grand scheme of things. Keyword difficulty goes from 0 to 100. You can easily see keyword difficulty in different search engine software tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and SEO Quake, many more as well. But personally, Ahrefs is my favorite. So what we aim for, especially for small local businesses, are keywords with low keyword difficulty yet high volume. Volume as in how many people are searching this keyword per month, which could be found on those search engine tools that we just talked about. A general rule of thumb is keywords that range from 0 to 30 are usually ranked within a couple of months. KDs that vary from 30 to 60 usually take 6 months to rank, and KDs 60 to 100 can take up to 9 months to rank. If you try to rank too fast and add a bunch of backlinks into your keywords, Google could flag your site as spammy, and that's why it's best to do it the right way. SEO agencies that offer, get ranked within a month of setting up, do not implement SEO correctly, and their track record could vouch for it. It goes along the lines of, if it's too good to be true, it usually is. Okay, we did our research. We found the keywords we'd like to implement. How do we do it? Well, I'd like to include a keyword every 120 to 150 words, so when Google robots crawl, they come across them quite frequently. Another significant way to implement them is in HTML headings. What's the reason for this, you ask? Well, it's said to the left. It is because although we have keywords implemented into our content, it assists Google in finding the subject of longer articles way easier. So after we have our content built out, what's the next step? Backlinking. So what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website, therefore LinkedIn is acting as juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks that have authority wins the people pointing at them. However, it is important to know that not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting relevancy to your industry. For example, if you have a roofing company, would you rather have your roofing company be on the cover of a roofing magazine or on the cover of a beauty magazine? The roofing magazine, of course, because it's relevant to your industry. So, besides growing organically, how else can you utilize the internet to scale your business? Well, that's where Google Ads comes in. My couple of tips are, do not use smart campaigns, do your research in the keyword planner, and keep your eye on it. Smart campaigns literally have you put 5 keywords in, choose a location, and then press run, and you sit back and just target a basic ad group. To actually profit on Google Ads, research keywords within the keyword planner and how you want to use them. All right, so there's broad match, phrase match, and exact match on Google Ads. Broad match is when your ads show up for aspects related to your keywords but don't contain the exact terms. An example of broad match would be, let's use laptop case. So if your keyword is laptop case, your ad could show up in aspects for Apple laptop case and best laptop case for kids and laptop case. Then there's phrase match. So phrase match, it basically surfaces your ads and aspects that have the same meaning of your keyword. Words can be before and after your keyword, but not in between. An example of phrase match would be, if let's say laptop case again, you could show up in aspects for buy laptop case, blue laptop case sale. All right. And then the last one we have is exact match. An exact match is the opposite of a broad match, and your ads will only be shown in the aspect of for the same exact meaning of intent. So for example, if your keyword is laptop case, your ad would show in aspects for laptop case, case laptop, and laptop cases. All right? All right, this concludes my presentation. I hope you were able to get some value from this lesson, and I appreciate your time. If you find yourself wanting to learn more about how this can improve your business, I do this for a living, and I would be more than happy to hop on a call and see how we could possibly work together. My phone number is 904-906-2078. My email is josh@starletseo.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great rest of your day.